how many hours have you put in between from that day that you went door knocking her house, getting to know her, closing the deals through renovation, through fix and flip, and we're still going to sell? How many deals have you done since you closed that deal? And be able to do that, being there for your kids when they get sick or when they get emotional, and that's when we realize as a parent how much we are not there for them when we are not working for ourselves.
Yeah, because I was working 40, 60-hour weeks at a 45-minute commute when I had a real job, right?
How much were you making on that real job on your monthly base?
So I was annual, I was making $104K per year plus employee stock purchase plan plus vested stock. So I was making about $125K a year, great insurance.
Could you share what is your salary right now? And I know it depends on how much effort you put it in on your marketing and on, if you don't take a 2 weeks vacation. But what is your monthly income right now?
When talking about net worth, my net worth increase since I've done real estate, just started year and 9 months ago, has increased 1.77 million since 1 year, 9 months ago. Whether that be liquid assets like cash, retirement, and equity in houses. So that's my net worth, that's my wealth, 1.77 million increase. My passive income on an annual basis, $54,000. If I never did anything else in investment, if I just kept my buy and holds, my passive income is $54,000 per year. And my passive income from my partners is another 30. So 84,000 per year passive income, never have to do any real estate ever again. My active income, meaning like my flips, my wholesales, since I joined 1 year, 9 months ago, has been about 550K. So if I could go back in a time machine and tell myself, hey, is it worth it? Yeah, it's definitely worth it.
How many years do you had to work on your previous job to make what you have today?
At least a decade or more, maybe 2 decades.
And the fact that you were able to do that in 1 year, 9 months, and you didn't have pretty much any experience of real estate besides your first property that was more, keep this one because we can't sell, because if we sell now, we're going to be on the red. Mm-hmm. The fact that you didn't have any knowledge and to be able to be here today, sharing your journey, could you say you are proud of yourself?
Absolutely. I'm very content with where I am, but I love the process too. So,
do you think your kids today are proud of you?
Oh yeah. So a couple months ago, my 11-year-old, she came home from school with, describe your parent type worksheet thing. And one of the sections said, my dad is really good at real estate. She put it in there, right? So they're proud of me. My wife,
right? That was my next question.
She did a 180, all right? So from when I joined real estate, she's like, can you give them your money back? To, okay, it's just money, to, we have family dinners. We have this family tradition. Every Sunday we'll go with extended family and we'll go eat at their house. All the cousins.
Oh, cool.
All of that. So then she'll talk about, all the deals we're doing, how much money we're making too. So she kind of boasts about it now. She's like, oh yeah, we're making, yeah.
Would you ever go back to your previous job?
No way. No way.
It's not even if obvious. They double whatever you're making back then. Yeah. Maybe your boss now wants to come and do real estate with you if you reach out back to him.
Yeah. It's traumatic thinking about my job. Yeah.
So, and it's not fun. It's a job. And now you do it real estate because it may keep you motivated, keep you young, and keep you giving back to the community. Yeah. Because if you stop today with the amount of knowledge that you have, how many people you're not going to be able to help them to save their property, to save their lives. I have a homeowner who committed suicide 3 weeks ago in Austin. He asked me to help, and I was looking at the number. I was super insane busy. And I kept calling and texting him 4 or 5 days later. I got the note. Oh, the reason he's not answering the phone because he committed suicide. I was there. I didn't put enough effort to help him because it was a great deal. And he committed, but that's one of those things that the
I
people
had a seller
don't understand.
die after I put him under contract. Just died like a week after.
No, this one did commit suicide. Yeah, this one, unfortunately. And I feel awful because I could have had help. If I knew it was that desperation, I could have stopped everything and really be there for him 100%. And how many hours of your time have you spent helping family, even though there was no money there for us?
Yeah. I believe in karma. Like, I'd rather stop 20 foreclosures and maybe buy one house than see anybody go to auction out of ignorance.